By the way, do you know why it's important, like scientifically, chemically, for you to be right?
Validation.
Validation's in the mind, it's not real.
Yeah.
I'll tell you in the real world scientifically why. Because when you feel like you're right, your brain releases dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins, 4 chemicals into your body that you feel good. That's why it's so important for you to be right. That's why you will destroy relationships. Yeah, you get high on your own supply. 100%. You're your own drug dealers. But that's why you have somebody in here, has somebody in their life that's not been there for a while. I guarantee there's people in here that you either had somebody platonic, somebody in your family, or a relationship, and you missed that person, and you wish that you could be around them in their life. But it was more important for you to be right about something as opposed to just letting it go. And now that person, you don't even know what they do because they did this to you. But did they really do it to you, or you made up a story about how they're supposed to be instead of the way that they actually are, and now it's their fault? Which means, oh, you didn't like this conversation at all. Who are you thinking about? Yeah, am I making up a story? Are you thinking about somebody specifically?
Yeah.
Okay, good, got it. So I offer you,
Uh-oh.
just simply,